Hi guys! Hello! Welcome na naman sa isang edisyon ng ating ukulele tutorials. This is my channel, Chord, where you can learn your favorite songs on ukulele and guitar. Pero hindi pa ako nakapag-cover ng guitar so focus muna tayo sa ukulele. Okay, so ano bang song ang aaralin natin this day? This is requested by one of my former workmate or colleague, Angeli. Hi Ange! Hi Ange! Oy. This one's for you. Ang request ng tutorial natin ngayon is Your Song by Parokya ni Edgar. Yan, tatay ko yun. So, okay, let's start. First, make sure na nakatune yung ukulele nyo. Same pa din tayo. G, C, E, A. C standard to. Tuning natin. And then, may kapo ulit tayong gagamitin para mas madali. Since most ng chords na ito is bar chords kapag walang kapo, so mas padaliin natin yung buhay natin. So, lagyan lang natin yung kapo sa second flat. Yan. Yun. Tapos, make sure natin na naka-clip siya ng maayos. Okay, so first chord natin is A. This and this. A. Yan. And then, next chord is E. Here. Yan, ganyan. E. And then, dito. So, para may accent yung tunog, tanggalin nyo na to. So, yan. So, from here, pwede mo lang ganyan. E. Yan, para may accent yung tunog niya. And then, F sharp minor. It's like this. Gawa ka ng A. Here, and then ito. This is F sharp minor. And then, D. So, 4 chords lang to. D. Here. So, D. Yan. Okay, so, verse chords are A, E, and then here, F sharp minor, and then D. So, paano ba yung pagkinanta? Hit the just enough. bilis lang, di ba? Ayun, so medyo madali lang yung kanta kasi paulit-ulit lang naman yung chords. Ano pa ba? Yun. So for more song requests or tutorial, please comment on the comment section below. And thank you nga pala ulit kay Ange sa pag-request ng kanta na to. So ano pa ba? Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe. This is my channel, Know That Chord. Thank you sa lahat ng likers. Wala na akong masabi. Hi Tudi, hi my son. This is Adi. This channel, Know That Chord. Bye 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 bye.